What's up everyone, it's your boy S from DRIPTOOHARD Manufacturing. In this video, I'm taking a big risk, but I still chose to show you the video. So 3 weeks ago, I went to visit a factory here in China that makes or that manufactures for one of the biggest brands in the world. Okay, so I'm a manufacturer myself, so we do sign NDAs and we have copyrights and all that with the brand owners or with the brands or with the companies. So myself, I understand, and that's the reason why I'm not gonna show. I'm gonna blur as much as I can and blip as much as I can because I was really hesitant if I need to post the video or not on YouTube, but I still decided to do so. So if you guys can subscribe or like or just leave a comment here, that would be really helpful because I really want to show you guys what manufacturing is like in China. And if you don't know me, this is the first time. I am a manufacturer. I own a factory here in China for more than 8 years, and I work with global streetwear brands. And I'm lucky to do so. I'm lucky to have this because it's my passion. I'm lucky to have a job that I'm passionate about. So yeah, let's quit the talking. Let's go. This is something I wanted to show, but at the same time, I didn't want to post. But yeah, today I decided, fuck it, let's do it. Peace out. Good morning. Rise and shine. Woke up, had a good sleep yesterday night. I mean, the owner's gonna come and pick me up right now, and we're gonna go to factory, the one and only in China that does. And I'm not gatekeeping it, guys. I'm showing it to you. Alright guys, so I'm here, straight to the point. We're at the factory where everything is made here and the last touches and last parts are assembled and manufactured in Vietnam. So, you know, I'm here. I try not to show faces, but basically all what you see here is gonna go straight to Vietnam and then be shipped worldwide for you. So this is where is made, guys. I'm not gatekeeping. This is real, and you know, this is very exciting. Like to see a billion-dollar brand, such a famous brand in the world, and be able to be here where it's made and where it's shipped, so you can wear it and you see all these celebrities and everybody wearing stuff that is made right here. This is the power of what we do, and being able to find resources like this for the business I do, or be able to work with people that are this successful is just amazing. So yeah, I'll show you more, guys.没事没事。陕西话你会不会？啊？陕西话。
陕西话。
会不会？
会一点点吧。
啊？
对。
没事没事。So it's right here, guys. It's right here. This is really nothing. This is just a floor. Bags like this every day. It's every day. For example, tomorrow these bags will be gone already. And on to the next one, next bulk, next shipping, or the next shipment, by the way, sorry. So, yeah, it's crazy. Everywhere, everywhere, guys. So here is where everything is shipped. Everything's in bags, just like how we do it, basically, for our clients too. Everywhere, guys. This is everywhere. Everywhere. It's all ready to be shipped to Vietnam. All ready to be shipped. See, this is actually like a 2,000 square meter warehouse just for all ready to be shipped to Vietnam. And it's every day like this, every day, non-stop, every day. It's crazy. So here is actually a kind of sample room where everything that is submitted, sent out to the headquarters of if it's confirmed, then they commence the production for it. So here we have last year collections, new collection also. This year, 2025 just came out last month, I think. Hoodies, tees, shorts, everything. So these are all samples that have been confirmed, and the production already started. They're already selling them. They're already selling these. So it's crazy. This is like the old collections. Here we have 2022, 23, 24, and 25. All of them are here. A Zoom meeting. Yep, it's just here. Just here, guys. Here's another one. All right, so this is a tee, for example, from the newest collection. And let me show you something very cool. We have a UV light pen. So check this out, guys. You see the tag? If you don't know if it's real or not, you see the tag right here. We're gonna do something. We're gonna do some magic. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see, but look. You can see the logo in here with the serial number and the collection, the name of the collection and the year. This way, they know which tags to use and it's not confusing. Do you guys see it? Okay, I think I need to switch. Do it like this. Let's do it like this. Here's the. This is how you know if it's real or not. So fake ones will not have this. So each tag for each particular style has a particular serial number or code or name or whatever. So you can see it right here. Real stuff. Here's another one. This is a hoodie. Okay, so tags, each tags are different. So this tag too will have the right here, guys. Do you see it? Yes, in red. I know it's too small, but you can see. Let me tell you. Spring 2025. So this is what it says. So even tags have this, and very few of you guys know about this. Yeah. So the original ones, they have this. And the crazy thing, the bomb. So you guys need to believe, you know, have QR codes. Each piece has a unique QR code that you scan, so you will know if it's original or not, right? So let's do that, guys. Here's okay. Just gonna recognize it 1 second. So it's taking me to. Let's go. Let's check. Okay, vérifier l'authenticité, verify authenticity. Okay, accept all cookies. After sale. All right, like I said, as a gift, whatever. Now I need to put my Google account. And I'll press. Perfect. Confirm. We're almost there. And this is my first time doing it, guys. So this is my first time too. It's my first time doing this. So it takes its time, and then finally let's get the result. Authentic. This is in French and it says authentique, which means authentic. You guys can see it's real. Okay, so this is your product is authentic. You guys see it? Perfect. Votre produit est authentique. This is in French. My phone is in French, by the way. So yes, you can see I am not bullshitting, and I am not here to show you counterfeit goods or the fakes or whatever in China. We are here where it is made. So I am not promoting anything else. I'm not promoting the counterfeit. I'm not promoting anything in this regard. I'm not also promoting. This is not sponsored, but this is something I found which is amazing, and I want to share with you guys. So if anybody interested in this brand or selling this brand, you know, this is where it is. This is where the real stuff is made around the world. So wow, as you see, like these are all professional experience, like women doing the job here, making sure you wear that essentials proudly, and you know, very nice vibe, all smiling, feel like they love what they do. You can see it's not what you hear about China, about labor, about, you know, exploiting them and all that. These ladies are like very happy. They're enjoying what they're doing. The conditions here, the working conditions are perfect too. So yeah, it's amazing. It's great. Let me show you all the samples I'm taking with me. They keep bringing me samples. I'm taking this. 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 Pants too. Let's go. I'm taking all these with me. They're already preparing a bunch of samples for me, so I got the jackpot. This is one of the coolest things of being in this business, is like being a manufacturer. So everybody's willing to give you samples. Everybody is willing to show you their work. So I'm not taking it for granted, because we do the same. I do the same. I'll be like, we're very generous, and I said it in the previous videos, we don't charge for samples or whatever. So when clients come visit us, we give as much as we can. You have to be generous in this business to be successful, because at the end of the day, these are just clothes and we do them, you know? So it means a lot. If it's gonna help the client, definitely. We send samples all over the world without expecting anything in return. I don't expect you to order from me, or I don't expect you to pay me. We even pay shipping, we do all that. As long as you get it, you're satisfied. If you want to work with us, it's fine. If you don't want to, it's still fine. You're gonna come back one day, because you will not find better than us. This is pretty amazing. Well, there's nothing I can say. This is just incredible. I loved it. Love this place. I'm so glad I found it. So let me know, guys, in the comment. There was like a quick, I think I went straight to the point, basically, to show you. I mean, I cannot show other things, but whatever I can show, I will always show it to you guys. And let me know in the comments if you want to know more of those big brands, where they made. I mean, with all humbleness, I can say that with so many years being here in China and doing the manufacturing, being in the manufacturing business, I can proudly say that I have access to all resources of everything, everything regarding to clothes and manufacturing. I have access to that, and I'm grateful. Where is it? In China? Is it somewhere else? Is it in Vietnam, Bangladesh, whatever? I have all the information for that. So let me know. You never know. I might just go pull up to the factory and show you guys the real stuff, just how I did today. First, hope this video was short, like precise and instructive. I kind of showed everything that you guys wanted to see. If there's other things I didn't show that you are interested in to know, just let me know in the comments, and I'll do that in the next video. Peace out. Appreciate y'all. I wanted to keep it short. Just a quick DIY of how my life as a factory owner in China looks like. This is the life I'll be doing like every week. Sometimes every 2-3 days you have to get on an airplane. Sometimes you have to go abroad to other countries, and it's like this, and then bounce on to the next. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments if you want me to do more videos like this, that I can show you the real truth about manufacturing and brands manufacturing, where they're made, as I mentioned. And yeah, I mean, I appreciate this guy. I'm not showing him on camera, but he's here right next to me. I appreciate him for whatever everything he has done today, for inviting me, picking me up, showing me around, taking good care of me. So appreciate him, and a lot of work, a lot of business we will do together for sure. So yeah, appreciate you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Make sure to subscribe, like, please do whatever to keep this stuff. You're gonna give me more motivation to show more and to do more, actually, to shoot more. Thank you.